Okay, everybody, I'm going to unbox. I got a Mary Maxim mystery uh, box, bag, whatever you want to call it, along with a couple other things for myself. So let's see what I got. I wanted to get a chance to enter into the giveaway that they're having. That actually is the last day is today. So I actually might try to buy one more today. So let's see what I've gotten. Okay, so first off, I did buy a couple of amigurumi kits. I got them for my son. I'm gonna see how they work out. Um, since I've never actually tried to make anything from a kit, I usually just go off of patterns or YouTube videos and stuff like that. So I got this particular, it looks like it says Persian cat. So it comes with the yarn, looks like the pattern, and looks like got a hook and all of that stuff. And then the other one is this one. And funny enough is actually the name of the pattern is called Dan, and that's actually my husband's name. So now this is the mystery bag. And the thing that I find funny is the well, I got a lot of some of the, I actually was actually gonna get some of this mellow spun yarn, but I also find it kind of funny that they have hobby yarn in here. I love hobby yarn, and I frequently buy their mystery bags because their mystery bags are pretty awesome. So I'm going to open up, and then I will show you exactly what I got. So let's see what it is. All right, so let's see what we've got here. So it looks like I've got 3 of these croquet yarns. From what I understand, these are pretty thin yarn. Not usually something that I like using. I don't normally use this kind of yarn, but I'll figure something out. So I got this hobby yarn here. I actually have a couple of these. You can come out, it's fine. So it looks like I got red, I got white, and another white, and they do have these start tabs, which are really nice. And then I got another one, so I got a total of 4 of these croquet yarn skeins, I guess. This one is more of a pinky rose color, so it's 1.5 ounces or 45 grams, 239 yards, and 219 meters. So we'll see what I can do with that. And then let's see, I've got one skein of this Lincoln Fog Patents, which is super nice. It's really soft, nice and squishy. Let's see what else. So I've got, it looks like 2, 4, 5 of this Mellow Spun, the Ultra Mary Maxim brand, in the color yellow. 50 grams or 1 3/4 ounces, 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 174 yards or 160 or 174 yards or 160 meters, made in Turkey. So I've heard these ones are really nice, so I actually was thinking about buying some of these. So got the yellow, and then I got looks like, I don't know what these are. I know that they like to send ones that don't have tags on them, but I do. This is not a first time thing, so it looks like I've got 1 2 3 4 5, so 10 plus these 2, so that's 12. So 12 of those. And then I've got another color of the Mellow Spun. This is actually the color that I was going to order, in the color melon. I always have the best intentions, because as they say, you can never have too much yarn. This is 50 grams, or also 1 3/4 ounces, 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 174 yards or 160 meters, and made in Turkey. It is nice and squishy. And then of course, Mary Maxim always gives patterns with their mystery bags. And then of course, the number that you get. So my number is 1003, and so I can hope, it sounds like a lot of people are ordering these in hopes that they will win the $100 gift card, because I think that's what they're giving away. Oh, and actually it looks like, so for the Mellow Spun in melon, I got 1 2 3 4 5 of them. So that's what I got. The mystery bag was, I believe it was 30 bucks, and let's see, the amigurumis were $25 a piece. The only thing I have to say is that that shipping is really expensive, and so and there were actually other things that I wanted to get, but because of the cost of the shipping, it tends to add up. So if anybody out there has any coupon codes for free shipping, that'd be fantastic. So it doesn't seem like Mary Maxim does do any free shipping. So I really want to make this kitten, and then of course this particular guy here, and then yeah, I think with the blue yarn, I don't know what I'm gonna make, but I think I might order another mystery bag, and hopefully I don't get the same thing, but yeah, that's where we're sitting right now. So hopefully you guys like this. I'll post this on my Instagram, and then I am starting a YouTube account, and will be I'll see if maybe I can post it there. We'll see. And it'll be under the same name, MDLD_13. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks. Bye bye.